Hi everyone, it's Sarah from Say Little Hen, and today I'm going to show you how to get a really neat join when you're joining your knitting in the round. So for this video I'm using the magic loop method for my knitting, but you can use this join technique no matter how you're knitting in the round. So if you're using double pointed needles or one short circular needle, you can use this technique. So this is a really simple way to join your knitting in the round that gives you a really nice strong join that really reduces the risk of laddering. All you need is your knitting and a spare needle. So when you're ready to join your work in the round, make sure that all of your stitches are facing the same way so that none of them are twisted. For mine, I've got it set up for magic looping, and I've got the right side of my work facing me, which means that on the inside is the wrong side of the work, and we've got the last stitch that I cast on, which is a stitch attached to the working yarn. I've got it on the front needle, and I've got the first stitch that I cast on with the cast on tail on the back needle. What you're going to do is you're going to take your spare needle and you're going to swap these two stitches over with each other. This creates a really firm join. It doesn't matter what kind of needle you use as your spare needle, it just needs to be either the same size or a little bit smaller than the ones that your work is on. So my knitting is on a 6mm needle, and this spare needle that I'm using is a 5mm needle. So when you're ready to join your work, we're just going to take the working yarn. I'm just going to put it over the back of the work so that it's out of the way. We're going to move this back stitch first. So slip this stitch on the back needle onto your spare needle, take it off and put it onto your front needle. That's the first part done. Now what you're going to do before you move the stitch from your front needle, you're going to get your working yarn. I'm just going to lie it through this part of your work so that it's going over the top of your join. Then we're going to pick up this stitch. You can elongate it so that it makes it as easy to work with as possible. Take it over your needle and put it onto your back needle. Then pull your working yarn up to tighten your join, and that's it. Now you've got a really firm, neat join and you're ready to begin working in the round.